They saying Dontee did it again.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Dontee. We were back with another video. It's been a while since I did a personal finance video. This one is for the crypto.com card. I actually got it in the mail a year ago today, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see.
Fingernails dirty. I've been counting dirty money since 12:30.
So I was supposed to do this video a long time ago. I still haven't activated the card. So this is a metal card. In order to get it, you have to have 50 MCO tokens staked. I will go into details about it. I just wanted to get y'all the first look of the card. You see, I haven't even opened it. Still closed, but here it is. Let's see. I've been holding this card for a whole year, not using the benefits of it. One of the benefits that I could have been using is free Spotify Premium. So by using that, I'd get my money back from it. As long as I pay with the card, they'll pay me back. It's a thank you message. I could pause it and look at that. I'm not sure if y'all wanted me to read it or I could read it. So yeah, that's that. See? Make sure that my number's not on the front. Oh, okay, it's not. Here you have it. The Ruby Red MCO card. It's metal. Said that before. It's a debit card, not a credit card, but it got perks to it. Just like something like this. So the American Express Rose Gold. If I want me to do a review on this one about the perks, I'll do that too. If you do want one of these, I'll put a link in the description for the code. But this is it. It's metal too. I feel like it might be they close to the same weight though. This one seems like it might have another layer or something in it under. But yeah, can't let y'all see the back of that, but this is it. So I'll be back with another video after I activate it. Might do test the purchase or something. Let y'all know how that go. I think it's 2% cash back. I put all the details in the next one. There y'all go.
They saying Dontee did it again.